Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading and writing A B C D A to Z. Okay, फर्स्ट हम आपको इस कलर नेम सिखाऊंगा, देन ABCD रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग करेंगे इस कलर पेन से. ओके, येलो कलर, ब्राउन कलर, पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, वायलेट कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, ब्लू कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, व्हाइट कलर, green color, light green color, black color, orange color, red color, light pink color. A for apple, A for apple. B for banana, B for banana. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for pen, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rat, R for rat. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vegetables, V for vegetables. W for watch, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.